are you doing?
What do you Wimbledon?
Oh, come on. We came all the way to Cornwall to watch Wimbledon.
No, let's just stay another set. Just let me watch the
Come
another
on,
set.
let's go.
It's a time. No.
You can see it later.
Stop being an idiot. Get out
I'm
of the way.
gonna make coffee.
Get out of the way.
I'm gonna make coffee and then we
Dude.
go, right?
Fine. Get out of the way. Fine.
Oh my
Fine.
god.
Fine.
Yeah. Right. So, which one do you want, Dave? Hello? Dave. Delizioso or passionale? Floral or chocolatey?
Oh, floral.
Yeah?
Yeah, perfect. Thanks, man.
Stuck here for a while, I can fantasize. Where I'm at is a blessing in disguise. All that
Can I get a cappuccino?
You just watched me making the whole thing.
That was
it's true. I spill my heart out for you. I did all I could do to buy us time, to buy time. So for now I wait to
Thank you for that.
It's beautiful.
It's lovely. It's good. These are the new ones, aren't they?
Yeah.
CO2 neutral.
Yeah, exactly that one. Amazing.
Nice.
What is this funny hoops on the lawn here?
It's croquet.
Croquet.
You heard of croquet?
Yeah. In Alice in Wonderland.
Ah. Mad Hat's tea party.
Yeah.
Mad Hat's coffee party.
Yeah. That was you at Ascot.
Yeah, it was, wasn't it? Yeah.
Right, let's go, David. David, come on, let's go. Good boy. So, what is exactly the watering hole?
Oh, it's a beach bar. It's a really cool beach bar. It's big as well. Like
Right on the beach?
Right on the beach.
Oh, wow.
It's really big, sort of tide lines, really loads and loads of sand all around it. And super busy. And obviously, I mean, Cornwall gets really busy in the summer anyway. I mean, look, why wouldn't it be? It's amazing.
All the surfers.
Yeah.
There might be a Cornish drink with coffee, right? Or something that is typical for people to drink around here.
Let's find out.
Yeah.
Because that kind of regionality coffee is Italian, right?
Yeah.
So you go to different places and there are different twists, different serves, different ideas.
Absolutely. For example, in Sicily, something that is really typical of Sicily is granita. You know what granita is?
Isn't it like coffee and ice?
It's basically shaved ice in general, and then you put whatever you want on top, whatever different syrup. So in Sicily, they do it with espresso as well. So it's shaved ice, which is not just crushed, it's shaved, and then they pour an espresso on top, and that's an amazing.
It's like an espresso
drink.
slushy.
Yeah, it's basically
Nice.
I think that's basically our version of a nice coffee, and they've been doing it for years.
I don't know, this looks a little bit familiar. I don't know, how do you get back on the motorway?
I have no idea, David. Maybe turn the tennis off for 2 minutes so you can pay attention to the road, please.
Look, I know we've been around here 4 times, but I don't know where...
It's the same road.
Yeah, well, I took the wrong turn. I'm not quite
It's
sure
the
where we're
same
going.
road.
No, but that's not the point.
We keep going around in circles.
Yeah, well, I know we're going around in circles. What, you're still Italian? You think you can drive better?
I'll
Do you think you know where
drive
you're
then.
going?
I'm a better driver anyway.
Fine.
Here we are.
All right, we're literally driving down a sandy track onto the beach.
No guardrail, no nothing.
No, nothing, just water down there.
It's a good thing I'm a better driver than you.
Oh, hey.
Thank God, this is amazing.
Oh, awesome.
Right
Right
the beach.
on the beach.
Stuck here for a while, I can fantasize. Where I'm at is a blessing in disguise. All that I've been through landed me here.
Mooring hole.
what a great spot. It's beautiful. I think this is the best place we've been so far. It looks amazing.
And you came here wearing a jumper. What is like it's the middle of the British
You're
summer.
wearing a jumper. Do you call this summer?
This is summer. This is as it gets.
This is not summer. Listen, this is not summer for real.
Ice lattes. It's all you need right now.
It's really simple, isn't it? Espresso, milk, ice, anyone, any establishment can do it.
Every bar's got the kit.
Yeah. And if you have oat milk,
Oh, how is it?
that's best. Oh, it's amazing. It's amazing. How's yours?
Great. You better down on the beach.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, it's windier, but yeah, for sure. Let's go.
Let's go and flat paint. So this is about as classic a British summer holiday as you could get. Cornish beach. So before the package holidays, this is where everyone in Britain came for their holidays.
I mean, I get why. It's beautiful. The only thing is, it's not really summer, is it? The temperature
What are
is
you
not
talking about?
summery.
This is great summer.
I mean, I think this is about probably beginning of spring in Italy. Not even.
So what's an Italian summer then?
Well, if I think of like traditional, typical Italian summer, I think of Ferragosto immediately.
What's that?
Ferragosto is basically the 15th of August. It's the mid of August and it's the middle of summer basically, where everyone in Italy books their holidays. Everyone.
But everyone.
Yeah, well, everyone is like, it actually causes some troubles as well because it's very difficult to get things done.
I was gonna say, how do you get
during
things
August.
done?
You don't?
Let's go back to that little place where we used to.
Oh, look, here's to British and Italian summer holidays.
Cheers.
Cheers, mate. Think you're going?
No way.
We'll have a competition to see who can chat for longer. 'Cause every year my body's getting stronger. We can swim all day and dance until
We're in Padstow. What is it?
Where are we?
We're in Padstow, the place for fish and chips. Have a look at this.
Oh my god. Ooh.
So back to the hotel, and you kept me away from my tennis all day. But don't worry, I saw a tennis court
Where?
in the back of the hotel.
You have a tennis court?
Yeah. I
Nice.
thought we'd play a bit of tennis.
Oh, we get to play.
Yeah.
Great.
Oh, really?
Awesome. Yeah, please.
I thought you were going to be really
Please.
pissed off.
No. I love playing tennis.
Okay, all right.
David, are we getting there or what? It's getting dark and I'm tired as well.
Oh, here we go. I can start. These are all the excuses. Go on, get them all out. Get them all out. Get them all out.
Well, at this point, I need some coffee as well. Let's get some coffee before we play tennis. Come on.
Okay, what coffee's we going to do?
I want to do actually the recipes they're doing at Wimbledon. Torinese cookie cup and Capri cookie cup.
That's an awesome idea. What's a cookie cup though?
Cookie cup is an invention of Lavazza. Basically, an edible espresso cookie cup.
Amazing.
Genius, right?
I've seen it all. There we go.
Oh my god,
this
chocolate
is the
looks
bitumen, right?
great. Yeah,
This is
the
my
bitumen is
favourite.
with the. Have you ever had Italian hot chocolate?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah,
so you
really
know,
thick, really heavy.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
it's a very different way of drinking hot chocolate actually. When I've had it here in the UK, you tend to have quite a. I don't want to say a runny drink, but it's a lot similar to coffee in terms of the texture of the milk, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, for us, instead, it's a bit the opposite. It's really thick, it's really sweet, it's really filling. That's why we don't really drink a hot chocolate during the rest of the year. It's really like a wintry drink.
Okay.
It's so thick, intense. So yeah, that's the reason why. Then we have some cream. Let's see if we can get a good spoon of this. There you go. Right. So I'll go ahead and put some hazelnut. Right, you got the chocolate?
Okay, there's the
Right.
chocolate.
So We use the chocolate a little bit on top of here.
Oh, mate, they look amazing. They look amazing. I'm going to try this one first.
It looks great.
So this is, what do we call this one? This is
Capri.
Capri. Okay.
Yes.
Nice. Oh, it's in the Amalfi.
island.
Yeah, of
Yes.
course. Yeah.
The island that is mispronounced all over the world in Capri.
So hang on, what is it?
Capri.
Capri. Okay.
How is it?
Oh, so good.
God, I'm so jealous.
Taste a little bit. Oh, what I love what we've done here is I know we can't be at Wimbledon, but I feel like we brought a little bit of Wimbledon to Cornwall.
We did.
You know?
Definitely.
The recipes that are being served on centre court, we're serving on our own centre court.
Yeah.
Nice. Oh,
I mean, it's not as good as Federer or Nadal, but that must be my favorite for
Sorry,
sure.
this is the best one.
With the hot chocolate, the espresso cutting through it. Amazing.
And these are edible, right?
Yeah, the cups are edible as well. Easy. It's beautiful.
Well, listen, my friend, this has been one hell of a day.
Amazing, right?
What a way to finish it.
We have nothing to envy the people that are in Wimbledon today, right?
No, we've done it ourselves. Amazing. Cool, I'm going to finish this off.
Yeah, I just wish I could have it as well.
To the spring he'll go, fall she'll